You've done all 5 of these things this week. I guarantee it. And you had no idea your brain was doing it on purpose. These are 5 psychology facts that sound made up. But they're real. They're backed by research. And once you hear them, you'll start noticing them everywhere. Let's go. Fact 1. The mere exposure effect. You don't actually like your favorite song because it's the best song. You like it because you've heard it enough times that your brain stopped seeing it as a threat and started treating it as familiar, which your brain reads as safe, and safe feels like good. This is called the mere exposure effect. Repetition alone makes you like something more. It's why the ad jingle you hate at first is the one stuck in your head by week 2. Fact 2. The Zeigarnik effect. Ever have a half-finished conversation or an unsent text sitting in your head rent-free? That's the Zeigarnik effect. Your brain holds on to unfinished tasks far more tightly than completed ones. It's why a cliffhanger episode keeps you up at night, and a wrapped-up one doesn't. Incomplete equals your brain won't let go until it's closed. Fact 3. The spotlight effect. You think everyone noticed that thing you said. They didn't. People are so deep in their own heads, running their own spotlight on themselves, that they have almost no processing power left to remember your slip-up. You are always the main character in your own memory, and basically an extra in everyone else's. Fact 4. Loss aversion. Losing $20 feels worse than finding $20 feels good. Same amount, completely different emotional weight. Your brain is wired to protect what you already have far more aggressively than it's wired to chase a new gain. This is why walking away from a bad situation, a job, a relationship, a bet, feels so much harder than it should. Fact 5. The pratfall effect. The mistakes make people like you more, not less, as long as you're already seen as competent. A tiny stumble makes you feel human and relatable instead of intimidating. So that awkward moment you're still replaying at 2 a.m., there's a real chance it made people like you more, not less. 5 facts. 0 of them are made up. All of them are running in your head right now without you noticing. Which one hit hardest? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one.